it's fine. By the way, turn off your lights. Kyle, let's go. Tyler? Tyler!
Breaking his dick sucked.
I'm filming, by the way.
Oh.
Alright, what map is this again?
Asylum.
Okay.
So
Turn off your lights, turn off your lights, turn off
the
your
one with the
lights.
ugly little whore.
Yeah. Oh, this one was good. The rats.
Skip. Skip this bullshit.
I actually haven't even seen this.
California, USA. After banishing the goat demon, Azazel, from cult leader Ana Puerta, Molly Jackson was committed to a secret psychiatric hospital, suffering manic delusions. Here, she was subjected to barbaric, outdated shock treatments that ate away at her body and mind. Slowly remembering the summoning ritual she had seen during her time with the cult, Molly began attempting to raise Azazel once again. As a former cult member and one of Molly's closest friends, you have tracked her down, hoping that your worst fears have not been.
What's up?
Okay, I am here.
Let's run it.
Okay.
Yes,
Last time we
sir.
were really close. So let's just,
Very close.
we got it. We got it. Dude, last time we literally had the last go and we had 9.
Yeah, and I had the last thing for it. I shut the bed. Fucking shit. Makes me want to cut
Hey,
myself.
where's Tyler?
I don't know. Probably being a stupid little retard. You need the ward key. Bro, I forgot where the keys are in this shit. Nelly?
Okay.
Dude, that shit scared me. That shit scared
Bro,
me.
look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this.
Doesn't work.
I know. That's what I saw before. It doesn't have knees.
Is your screen just black?
You ugly little cunt.
Tyler,
Wait.
you gotta press F. Press F.
Oh, I don't know
Yeah, you
why.
dumb whore.
Stupid
on.
Stark.
Sorry, I was talking to my girlfriend.
Lover. Oh, you're gonna say lover, wouldn't you?
Oh,
Multiple
that's
lovers,
mean.
eh?
Are you saying that because Nelly doesn't have a girlfriend, Stark?
No.
The
Because
word
we
keys
were planning
upstairs.
our Easter run.
That's cute. That's cute.
That's cute. We're gonna do an Easter egg hunt, and we're gonna dye eggs. We're
That's
gonna
cute.
have a run.
That's cute. I don't give a shit, you fuck sock. Yeah, shut your goddamn mouth. No one gives a flying fuck what you're doing.
Alex, you look like one of the rats that Azazel eats.
That's funny. Okay, we're not gonna do the lady yet.
Bro, I don't want to do this ugly
No,
little bitch.
don't waken her yet. Just let's get as much stuff as possible.
She's disgusting.
Yeah.
Already downstairs where she
Just like your
Ooh.
mom.
Oh!
Are we recording this?
Yeah, of course.
Alright, this is going on YouTube. What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
I'm like, what is up, YouTube?
What is up, YouTube?
All
Have you
right.
seen the Bradley Martin interview with Sebum?
Yeah.
It's actually painful to watch. I hate Steiny. I hate that little freak.
Wait, what was the
little
first?
fuck?
What was the first room we could have opened?
The first one we couldn't, or
We,
could?
we can.
YouTube. It has been a
I don't
week.
know.
How are you doing? This is
Yeah,
the second time
'Cause
we're
without
trying to
me,
beat
none of these
Azazel.
fuckers film.
Ellie,
Huh?
I would lynch you.
Okay.
Okay, well, my film, there's just something wrong with it, and Alex is, he's just
Retarded.
silly.
Yeah.
No, we can't use that word. That's not an appropriate word.
Bro, I already said
It's not
retarded.
PG-13 now.
I already said retarded.
Aren't you a cool cat?
I think I am
I
actually.
bet your mom doesn't love you because you say that you're retarded.
My mom likes me. A little bit.
Just because she likes you doesn't mean she loves you.
You know what, Stark? That hit me deep in my chest.
That was
You should stab yourself.
Has anyone been upstairs yet?
Yeah. I really forgot which room we could have opened first.
And you know where I've been?
Has anyone found a key?
Nope.
I've been in your mouth.
I'm pretty sure there's keys in the basement. Or not in the basement. Yeah, in the basement where the things were originally.
Yeah, but we don't have any other keys to pick that shit up.
No, we do. Like, when you first walk through the basement.
Oh, the ward
To
key?
get
Yeah,
upstairs.
Ellie already got that
Which
shit.
key? Which other room do we need that? I'm walking through every room. I don't see anything.
I don't know where any keys are right now.
I'm hunting right now.
We gotta find some.
What did you guys do last time? Last time you did so fast.
No, we didn't. We took like an hour.
Yeah, it was
Dude,
over an
shit.
hour to do
It took
this.
so long.
But we almost beat it. That was intense. I love that. Tell me that was intense at the end.
That was a good game, yeah. He didn't even post on YouTube.
Yeah, then yeah. Is that what I haven't been here?
Yeah. That's facts, boys.
Shut up.
Okay.
That's fucked stories.
Guys, be useful. Come on. Where's the keys?
I'm looking.
Guys, we should educate the audience on Matthew Taft.
No,
No one
I don't
cares
think that's a
about.
good idea. Just don't say anything about him.
True.
One day he's gonna see us and we're gonna be big famous boys.
You stupid boy.
Oh my god. Yeah, I can't find shit. Is Megan singing?
No, she's watching Dance Moms.
Oh.
Yeah.
Guys, what the fuck did we do last time?
Bro, I can't even find like the upstairs.
I'm upstairs.
Like, I know the map pretty well, but I just don't know, because you guys found a lot of keys last time, so I don't know. You guys found like all the keys last time.
Nah, Stark found all the keys. I
Yeah,
didn't find
Stark, you
shit
found
either.
all the keys last time.
I think I found one key.
Okay, well, what keys do we have?
I have the original ward key, that's it.
And okay, I'm pretty sure there's a second key all the way down in the basement that we needed to start getting places.
I already looked. We couldn't do anything.
Where was
Downstairs.
that?
I don't remember. But there's also, I'm pretty sure there's a room that's open that we can go into to get something.
Okay, try and open doors. Otherwise, I don't know. What the fuck we do.
Yeah, I thought there was a room that was open, but apparently not.
Yeah, I don't know.
Bro, I can't even find this like upstairs room.
Here, I'm gonna search it up.
No, don't search it up. I think it's this room.
Tyler, you did it last time. It's up to you now. After we open a few rooms and then get some supplies, then we awaken her, okay? Because with her chasing
need
us
to-
around, it's pretty fun.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so there was, yeah, I don't know where the original basement was, to be honest. Oh, I found it.
Yeah. No,
Okay,
there's
I'm
nothing
going down there. No, there is. There is. I know there is. There's an extra little section. I think you guys probably missed it.
Well, I'm gonna come with you.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. Nothing is openable here.
Okay, well, let's see anything down here.
Nothing. Okay, we know it's not in the basement. So we gotta search up the floors up here. Wait.
Tyler, I'm gonna start kissing you if you don't start acting.
Start acting?
Yes.
Oh wait, I think I
Actually
found something.
useful.
I found something.
What?
Yeah.
What'd you find?
The new downstairs. I find it. Actually, no.
No, we've had the new downstairs. I already knew what that was.
Oh,
Nothing there.
I thought
Bro,
there'd be-
I know there was a key. Maybe here. No.
Dude, I have no
All
clue.
locked. Wait. Yeah. I know there was a key. Oh, I don't. I know where it was, but I can't see it. It was like right here last time.
I think we're
It's
gonna
not
piss her
there.
So we
off.
probably have to like walk around then, like maybe upstairs. Maybe this was the key that like I don't know changes places, because not all the key are the same places, right?
Yeah, there's a key on one of these tables. I remember specifically, but it's not here. And it was to unlock a room in the basement. I swear this map is like different.
Nelly?
No, it's
did you
the
find
same.
that? Nelly, I have a question. Did you find that board key
Yeah.
near that dead ghost thing?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay,
That's how we got upstairs. Or else without that we couldn't get upstairs.
okay.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so where's the upstairs?
Like you just keep following the second stair. Second.
Oh, I think, guys, I remember where it is. I remember where it is.
Yeah, this way.
I remember where it
I
is.
found
No,
it.
you're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. I remember exactly where it is because I got this key. It's downstairs in Agatha's room, or whatever the fuck the room is. That
See,
I don't
the
know.
thing
If
is,
these girls...
I've been looking all around. There's nothing.
No, I know where it is. It's right here. I'm about to get it right now.
Tyler,
Right,
I died
motherfucker.
last time because of this. I was holding a goat because you can't do shit.
Nah, it should be right here, bro.
You think it's a glitch? Should we restart?
I don't see any keys at all.
Yeah, that's the thing. I walked around like.
Maybe we have to get her up first.
Oh! You're right. No, you're right. You're right.
Yeah, I'll just do it right now.
Okay, let's try that, and if we still can't
No,
find any keys,
it's
then I
gotta
say
be this.
we,
It's gotta be this. It's gotta be this. You're right.
Are you summoning her?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Nellie's humping her.
Yeah, because now something is happening.
Okay, someone grab a medkit and put it upstairs, please.
There's medkits upstairs.
No.
Oh, I
but,
found
like-
a key already. I found a key.
Yeah. Okay, makes sense. It's good.
Okay.
Okay, someone grab this medkit and put it upstairs. I guess we can throw it down here. Okay, never mind.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, no.
This
you're
is.
right. Because I know this map really well now because of the last time.
Oh
we
yeah,
had
I opened the canteen door.
it. Good.
And
Yeah, we're gonna
I found a rat already.
walk through this shit again.
Yeah, let's get it and put on the thing.
Yeah, okay.
There is her.
We just had to get her.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm putting the rat on the chair.
That's smart, because or else you could have done a lot without getting her up.
Oh.
That was my plan, you know. That was my plan. And then,
Yeah.
oh yeah, a lot of these rooms can be open now. I found
Yeah.
the west dorm key.
Yeah, all the keys. I was standing there, a key just appeared in front of my face instantly. That's kind of interesting that you have to activate her
Yeah,
to.
because or else we could have just cheated, right?
Nice.
Treatment. Oh, I
Yeah.
got a treatment room key, the basement one.
But I remember the wheelchair people are really bad here.
Yeah, they're brutal at the end. That's where we're gonna
Oh,
beat
yeah.
them quick.
I found the infirmary key with the extra rats on the table that I was talking about earlier.
Holy
Yeah.
fuck.
Okay, I'm just gonna open it right now and try and get those rats because I feel
I
like
got
that's
some.
close.
Patrice, get this rat.
Where are you?
Here, in
I
the
don't know
room.
where it is. Bro, I don't have a thing.
I got it, rat. I got it. Grab the
Yeah,
med
yeah.
kit. Just grab the med kit.
Okay. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go place it. I guess we can do the first batch soon.
Let's find one more rat before we start burning them.
No, yeah, two more.
No, we already have two.
Oh, we already have. You already put one up the table.
Yep.
Oh, I got the west dorm key. Where's the west dorm?
I don't know. Or maybe we try and explore a bit more first.
Oh
Yeah.
my god, mother of dick.
I definitely want to do that.
I say we try and get a lot of the rooms done before
Oh,
we
here's the
start.
west dorm. Someone,
running
here's one more med kit. Someone grab it.
I'm putting some of the things in the basement.
We're in the meds upstairs, right?
Yeah, there's one more med upstairs.
Okay. No, we need all the meds upstairs. There should be, yeah.
There's some more meds downstairs too. I'm gonna open the tree
So I'm
room.
gonna go get it. I'm gonna go grab those.
I'm grabbing the one downstairs
Make-
right now.
make myself
open the tree
useful.
room.
Who has the
There's more in basement as well, by the way.
keys?
Yeah, I
or...
know, I'm not trying.
I got the warden's bed.
Oh,
keys.
nice.
Yeah, here's more. Basement is more med kits. Yeah, basement is more med kits. One more. Coming.
Oh, I found a med kit also.
Yeah, at the end of the fucking people.
Those
get
wheelchair
really
things
bad.
were crazy.
Yeah.
We need a lot of med kits.
Yeah.
Else we're absolutely screwed. We have a lot of med kits right now. We still need more though.
Oh, someone opened the downstairs thing already?
Yeah, I already did.
Now, what's the treatment room then?
It's another one down there.
I don't remember that.
It's a smaller room. You have to go right to the front doors, and it's one of them.
Oh wait, I think I opened it without even realizing. No, I opened it. Okay, I'm gonna open the warden's bedroom now.
Oh, I found a rat.
Nice.
So wait, I don't have a thing.
We have one in the middle with all the mechans.
Wait, actually, I'm
Sorry.
scared of.
Tell me where you are, I'll come.
Come.
Oh, I still know where it is.
Oh, here she is.
Come, baby.
But the rat's like sprinting away. Oh, I got it. It's mine. Okay, alright, now we can burn these rats. We have 3.
Oh, there's one more rat in the warden's bedroom.
We can't get it.
Okay, I'll just remember it. Okay, it's in warden's bedroom. I remember that.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Alright, we need you down here to do the things.
Cheers.
Pateris is
Yeah.
here.
Let's go.
Yeah, I put like a bunch of them in front, eh?
Nice. Wow, that's good.
That'll teach you.
Kill this some bitch.
Let's go.
Put it in front. Put it on.
I
Put it
got
on.
Go.
Next
Alright, I'm
one.
about to place mine.
Cheers, I got it.
I'll disintegrate
Go,
them.
go.
Here you go. Oh,
Alright, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Bro, she was right up her ass last
I don't
time.
want to, yeah.
who's peeking?
She's here.
Wait, also remember, if
Careful,
she can't
careful,
see you,
careful.
she's not gonna chase you.
Yeah, so run around corners. Break line of sight. Always break line of sight. She's upstairs. Run this way.
Oh shit.
Run.
Bro, keep running. Alex, you dead?
No, he's gonna die though.
Just
Oh
run.
my god.
You dead?
How did she
Yeah,
caught
bro.
already?
Fucking, because I ran in front of her fucking face.
I mean, we did burn 3 rats.
You stupid boy. Where are you?
He's upstairs all the way. I don't have a med kit.
Guys, don't Don't shine your light on her. She gets pissed now.
How are we supposed to stop her? You dummy.
No, but when she's not angry, don't shine your light on her because that's how she gets pissed off.
Crawl down, There's crawl down. I got one more rat. I'll put it on the table.
Oh, nice.
So
Okay, I'm
we have
gonna go
one
up
now?
and track it, Alex.
Let me just crawl. Just do your thing. Just crawling.
I'm just gonna get you here. You're right here.
Why am I like moaning?
You shine like a girl.
Like,
I'm Bascom. Oh.
Oh my god.
put your head on my bum. Put your head on my bum.
On his bum.
Steve bum?
No.
Okay, we need to start. We need to get these other rats. The garbage can of other rats.
We're vibing right now.
There's more the trash thing. Tyler, grab a trash here. Like the thing that can attract the mice. On the right.
Bro, I'm fucking starving,
Where?
bro.
On the right. The first room
God.
in the right. The first room in the right.
God, I love cum.
Where are you, Tyler?
Wait.
No,
yeah,
that way,
this is
that way, that way. I'm just
this
walking
way.
away, yeah. First room on the right.
Hey, how many
Oh,
of
there's
these
a rat
things do we have?
here.
Nice! I didn't even know.
And the garbage can to get more rats.
Okay,
Oh, I
guys,
didn't
we
even
don't
see
need we don't need any of those like electric things anymore. We don't need those. We have 7. And
Okay,
they're
I
all
just
healthy.
released all the other rats.
Okay, good. Tyler, have you got the infirmary room open?
Yeah.
It's still
There's
open?
another rat in here. There's another rat.
Okay, I got it.
Ellie.
I'm coming. Okay, we can.
Right-
There's
right
3
in the
now.
basement, right in the
Victorious, it's 3. Let's go. It's 3.
Where are you? Where are you? Upstairs?
There's
Basement.
also a thing of garbage, so you don't need to collect it. Alex, go to
I'm coming.
the rat room.
Okay, just go to the rat room. Just go to the electric key room.
I'm just gonna show you where it is. It's in a weird
Okay,
place.
I'll meet you there.
Victorious, where?
Bro, the bitch is
He's
like
right here. He's right here. He's just sitting there.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, he's just on the floor.
I'm in the room, bro.
Okay, I'm headed up.
I already have
Headed-
everything. I have everything ready for us.
I don't know. Headed up and then down.
Up and down. This
Oh,
looks
there's
like a
one more
powder,
rat!
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, so we know where one more is. We've already burned 6.
bro. Okay,
Oh, I closed
Come
the door.
down.
Okay, I closed the door so it can get out. I know where it is now.
Okay, good.
See, that's
Okay,
the,
wait
by the
till-
way,
wait till
by the way,
night.
that's the trick. If there's a small room in any map, you close the door on the animal, whatever it is, the goat, the rat.
Yeah, that's smart.
okay, you guys ready?
Yeah, I'm here.
Where's Nelly?
Wow, this
Let's
is
do it.
sick. This is fucking quick.
Let's
Okay,
do it.
start burning it.
That'll teach
I'm
you.
gonna put the second one on in a second.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Haha, bitch.
Ready? Place the other one.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, I'm gonna shine my light. She comes. This is
Place
good,
the other
guys.
one. Place.
Tyler, place.
I already placed it.
No, you didn't.
Oh, is that 6?
No, you didn't. No, Tyler, you're still holding it. I can see it.
No. Oh shoot, I am. Never mind.
Nice. Okay, let's go upstairs.
Watch out for the thing.
Oh god, she's close. Oh fuck, bro.
Okay, we have to try and conserve our med kits here.
Oh, she's right here. Oh my
I got it. Guys, run around. Go up. Go up.
Upstairs.
Go up.
Upstairs. Go.
Oh my gosh. Keep going.
Who
Bro,
got
she's a
taken?
fucking
Me.
Ellie. She's fucking vicious, bro.
Okay, let's try and find some more rats.
I'm trying to find a battery for. Oh, I found a rat. I'm gonna get it
Oh
actually.
my God.
Yeah, I'm getting it right now.
Pick up the rat. We know there's. Okay, go place it on the thing. I'm gonna go get Nelly.
Okay.
Do we have
we know
more
there's
trash
one
cans to
rat.
lock down or no?
I don't think so.
Oh, there's another rat here.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, top floor.
Oh
Top
shoot,
floor,
I
top
see
floor.
her. I see her. Okay,
Top floor,
lock
top
it
floor.
in the door. Close the
I
door
can't.
on
I
it.
can't. It's in the hallway.
Okay, get it. Just get it. If it's a hallway, just leave it. Try
I
not to
have
scare
a
it.
goddamn rat in my
Oh,
hand.
get it.
If we
Okay,
can get
I'm
9.
gonna go get it. Nelly, you
I go get the basement one.
Yeah.
I'll grab the basement one.
Morning.
Hello.
I'm placing.
There's
Well,
a
it's
lot
like-
of these
Nelly, tell that goddamn gay to get out of
It's
our fucking
Pascal.
game.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Alright. I bid thee farewell. Until next time, good sir. Thank you
Okay.
for the cigars.
Bro, I'm dead. It killed me.
I'll bring a med
She's
kit
not
come get
angry.
you.
So I'll honestly,
Holy
I'm
fuck,
going
bro.
out for a sleepover, but I kind of already agreed to it.
I don't know where she's bringing me. Bro, she's bringing me downstairs.
I know, I have a med kit. I'm just chasing it.
Anyway, I'll see you in
Nelly, let me do
a
it.
amount of time.
Yeah.
Probably be back.
Okay,
Okay. Oh,
Alex,
she
do you
was-
remember where did you put the rat on?
Finally visit me
Yes,
in
I did.
Ottawa after the during exams.
Okay.
I'm sure I'm available.
Hey, go get that other rat.
I may honestly go home.
Oh, come here. Let's shut the door on this fucking bitch.
Bro.
See if I can.
Okay. Do you know where that other rat was, Alex?
Yes, top floor. Let's go.
Okay, go get it.
Can we find that? Wait.
eating,
Wait. So, for tourists, you put one on the table, right?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
yes.
So Tyler, let's go grab the rat you lost.
No, I never lost it.
Bro,
Oh,
I just have
was
a
turning
football.
towards it.
Okay.
You start just follow me.
Hey, so Alex, Nelson, there's one still in the basement, right?
Yeah.
So you go get that one.
Okay.
Alex, we're gonna go get the one upstairs. I have a bowl of garbage.
Okay.
So
I'm just looking
bro, she's
for it.
upstairs. She's like kind of close to us.
How? I got it. I got it. I got the rat. I got
Place
the
it down.
rat.
Okay, you gotta grab it.
Okay.
I'm gonna
I got
defend
it.
you.
Go to the place right
Go.
away. Go to the place. Go to the place.
Okay,
Bro,
we gotta
where-
start burning these things.
Go to the place. Go to the place. Go to the place.
Run.
You see her?
Where is she?
She's upstairs. She's all the way upstairs.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay, we can go down to the basement and start burning these
Oh my
rats.
god!
Alex, are you dead?
No.
Okay, come down to the basement.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Guys, run!
Oh, she's red eyes. I'm gonna sacrifice myself. You guys both have rats.
No, but
Alex, run.
don't sacrifice
He's
yourself.
chasing
Try
me.
not to die. Try not to die.
No,
Okay,
but
okay, okay.
Alex has a rat.
Oh,
Alex has a rat on him.
Hey.
Okay, come downstairs.
I'm dead. Okay. It was better for me to die than for Alex to die. 'Cause then we would've. I guess we lost a rat anyways.
Okay. Okay.
I'm here.
Okay.
Disintegrated.
Next time when someone reset, put one battery in there so that 4 people can do it. I'm gonna put this rat in the room so that we can get it. Tell him here.
Okay, I'm right here.
Okay.
I'm right by all the medkits in the front. She's also by all the medkits in the front.
Okay, I know where the rat is.
Very nice. Alex, where are you right now?
Downstairs, just waiting for you guys.
Do I have
Okay.
garbage? Do I have garbage?
There's one by where I died.
Just bring the rat. Just bring the rat first. Bring the rats. Bring the rats. I'm coming.
Can't.
I'm coming. Tyler, come downstairs.
Hey, where was it? I'm going to get the rat.
It's
I
in
need
the
you guys
little
to fill
side
the
room
thing.
on the first
Oh,
floor.
fill the thing. Fill the thing. Fill the thing.
Careful, for tourists, look!
Bro, yeah. Hey, get up, please.
Okay, I'm grabbing it. Grabbing the rat right now.
No. This girl's angry though. Let's go. Tourists,
Yeah.
let's go! What are you doing?
Just gonna wait here.
She's here,
until she comes.
she's literally right here.
Is she in the basement area?
Yep,
Have you guys burned both the rats?
yes.
Oh my god, Nelly.
So there's 8 left.
Oh,
Or we have 2 left, right?
yeah. Always break line of sight, by the way. When you run, always break line of sight.
Nelly? Holy god.
Always break line of sight.
Where is she right now?
On my ass.
Second floor.
Where's that?
Second floor.
Upstairs.
Wait,
I'm just bringing
so do you
upstairs.
think I
here.
can go and place the rat?
Yes.
Oh my god!
Oh my
Oh,
god.
she came out. She was not second floor.
Where are you?
She was second floor.
I was still in that little room with the rat.
What little room? Oh.
The little room where you left the rat. I was in there and she broke open the door and killed me.
Is the rat still there, you think?
Oh,
Yeah.
Stark's right here, bro.
Alex,
Fuck.
she was not second floor.
She was. She's just so fast.
Yeah, I guess that's fair.
Okay, I'm gonna
Oh,
try
right.
it.
I'm second floor, but or actually, she brought me right to the very top.
Stark, crawl down. I'm coming to get you. Crawl down. Crawl down.
Yeah, I'm starting to. Oh,
Oh,
Nellie's
no,
getting.
I got it. I got it.
Well, that's unfortunate. This lady's quick. Okay, the rat should still be there, but we lost.
I got a meal. I got a meal.
Okay, the rat should still be in the same place,
Okay,
and we have to start looking for the last rat.
Keep looking. Keep looking. Oh, try to conserve your batteries. Yeah, it's here. I'll put this one on the table. Defend me, please.
Yep.
Where the fuck
Oh,
is she?
she's
Where the fuck is
crazy
she?
now.
Fuck, she's right up my ass.
Alright, do you have the rat?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Put it on the table,
She's
put it on the
chasing
table.
me. She's chasing me.
Just go find the last one. Go find the last one.
I'm looking right now. I'm going to the basement to find it.
Yeah. Okay, second last red is on the table. Oh my gosh! Oh! Holy shit, she's so fucking fast. Oh my gosh. Okay. By the way, I put one battery on the thing, so whoever has the rat can kill the
I
two
got the
rats
rat.
himself.
I got the rat. I got
You
the
got
rat.
the rat?
Yeah, I got the rat.
You
Nice!
actually have it.
I just know I don't, but I need it.
Where is it? Where is it?
It's right from main floor. Main floor. Come here.
Okay, I'm heading upstairs.
Bro, these things are killing me. I'm dead. I'm dead to a fucking demon.
Nelly, you're dead also, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I have to res one of you.
Like, you have to get me up. The demon, or the thing is right beside me.
Oh, shit.
Give it to hers first. He's second floor.
Bro,
He's second floor.
I'm
Give it to
beside a
her.
bunch
You
of
got time.
demons.
You got time.
Bro, I'm just gonna get you.
You got time. It's going up. It's going up. You guys are good. It has a patrol route. It's gonna go around.
Did you get
that. So what you guys have to keep
Where was the rat? Where was the
coming
rat?
down. It's coming down. Main floor.
Bro, I'm being
Main
attacked
floor!
by... Oh my god. Bro, I was being
Perfect,
attacked
perfect,
by...
res me.
I didn't get the
Yeah,
rat. Alex, if you get the rat right now, you can
win.
just win it all.
Yeah. Where is it? For
Just
Where?
go.
It's right
get
here.
the rat.
Come here, Nelly. Come here. It's right here.
Where?
It's right here.
You do a really bad job of explaining where here
Yeah,
is.
where?
Just follow me. It's somewhere right here.
Okay, she's
Bro.
all the way upstairs. She's all the way upstairs right now.
I got it.
You
Where?
have the rat?
Let's go in. Do you want to just go in?
Just go kill the rats if you have them.
Nelly?
We don't have the rats. But
Wait,
Chris, what the
Alex,
fuck
where was
is
the
it?
rat? She's
Oh, you
about to attack.
stupid.
You should have just told us where it was.
Bro,
She's running
I know
after
where
you.
it.
She's still top floor.
We're going downstairs.
Oh, she's running downstairs.
For Chris, let's go.
Yeah. Are we killing them?
Do you guys have both rats?
No, I don't, because Faturs doesn't fucking know what his job.
Alex, where was it?
It was main floor. I can't talk
Where?
loud.
Like where in the main floor?
I can't talk loud. Fuck.
She's running to main floor right now.
Basement or no?
He was on the main floor in the hall. Oh my god.
What hallway?
Bro, I'm fucking dead, bro. I'm so fucking dead.
Tyler, crawl to the main floor. I'm gonna get you.
I am on main floor. Right by the med kits.
Is she there?
Nope. Oh yeah, now she's here.
Here.
I got a rat.
Okay, go burn them.
Just go kill. Just go in. Let's go in.
I'll tell you.
Faturs.
I got you. Let's go.
Okay, this is.
I got a rat. Let's go. Burn the fucking rats.
Alex, get the med kit.
Get him. Get Tyler right now. Get Tyler.
Nelly, go start burning them.
I am.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh.
Holy fuck.
That's one.
Just one more.
We got it, boys.
Okay, Alex, both of us have to sit here and just.
Go.
Go.
Yes! Yes!
Let's go.
Beautiful.
Oh,
And
yes.
all three of us were alive.
Yeah. That was sick.
Oh, that was good.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
That's Nina on a Saturday when Paris comes home.
When Alex says get the cake when she doesn't feel like it.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the next level?
Next level is a Japanese inn. Oh my god. Alright, let's look at the stats, boys.
Where's the rat, Ellie?
It ends here.
Okay, Pateris.
Ha 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 ha.
The Pateris did really well.
Oh, but we tied that. Okay. Okay. Oh, wow.
That was good. Damn.